Okay, here's a small deal of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres, and the material's been wetted. The first piece here is some white porcelain type material, bit of colour through here. It's on hard base material, so it should polish up quite nicely. This piece, it's got these lines of colour, which is with Boulder, that's what you need to follow. So this should grind off this top, and here's the opal underneath. How good it's going to end up I don't know, but again should polish up quite good. And this last piece, a couple of faces of colour right there, across here, another one on the end here. Again, nice colour. Again, this one here, the colour bar or the fissure of opal runs across here, so this may grind off and you end up with a stone here. Anyway, it's good practice material. It's not very expensive. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.